Alright, so in the last video I showed you how to quickly research and find items on Amazon to sell on eBay. So in this video I'm going to show you how to quickly list them. So what we're going to do is we're going to go over to eBay and we're going to sell our items. So what we'll do is we'll just make our spreadsheet and this eBay listing window the same size. So I'm going to start by listing this item right here. So here's what I do. I select my title and I paste it in here. So this is going to be the title for my listing. And then I click this link over here and I've got my listing open. So right now it's asking me what kind of item it is. So we'll just say it's furniture, cabinets, and cupboards. Alright, so the next thing we need is our template. So if you go to the details section of your eBay listing, you're going to see a little drop down called Inserts. This is where you're going to click to create an insert. And this right here is where you're going to add the listing template that I give you. So the listing template that I give you is right here. I've already selected it. Just so you don't know, you can just kind of select like this and then right click copy. Alright, so we'll call it listing template 1 and we'll right click and paste it and we'll click to save it. So it's saved. So what you'll have to do here is real quickly refresh the page so you can see that listing template be active. Alright, so we've still got our title and everything. We'll select the condition real quick is new, and we're going to insert our template. Here's our template right here. And you're going to real quickly add your store name. And that's going to be name, and we'll just call ourselves Best Furniture. And so we've got our standard template right here. And so we're going to take this title that we have right here and we're going to make it our title right here. So you're going to right click and select this text and go paste and match style. There we go. And then you're also going to right click here and paste and match style. Now we're going to go back over to the Amazon item right here. You can see it, $91.99. And we're going to select right here. And we're going to right click and select this placeholder text right here and select paste and match style. You always want to select paste and match style so it doesn't mess up the template. Alright, so I usually remove the brand name, so we're going to put this double pantry for extra storage. This is a double pantry and it's got the measurements, so we're good to go there. So we'll go down to our product description. Just right down here. We're going to right click and paste and match style. We're going to add an extra line of space, and this is a little standard disclosure note that I put on my items that the products may look a little bit different in person, and that just covers you in case somebody says, well, the item wasn't as described, even though, you know, it was. So again, we'll remove the Ameriwood branding. And generally you want to kind of mix up the description a little bit with your own words, but you don't have to really worry about that right now. We're just kind of focused on getting this listing done. Alright, so we got that. We've got our listing information. We need to really quickly get our listing item. And I like to use our listing image, I should have said. I like to use images that show the product being used. Like for instance, this is a stock photo. This one right here actually shows what it looks like on the inside, what it might kind of look like in your customer's home. So we're going to open this, and we're going to open this image in a new tab, and we are going to actually going to, for this one, we're going to put selected scroll. Alright. And that right there should be wide enough. So we're going to click Edit, and we're going to put in our username, which is Best Furniture. Going to click Done, and we're going to right click and save it. We're going to save it as the same name as our title, first few words of our title. So pantry, cabinet, white, kitchen. And we're going to save that, and we're going to upload our photo over here. And there's our photo. Now, real quick, you might be thinking, why didn't I use the DS Domination Scrambler? Well, usually I like to use and recommend it, but in this case, I felt it would be easier and quicker to do it this way. Now, your image is actually still unique doing it this way because you're using a screenshot taker. You're not just grabbing the image and, taking it. And I'll show you real quick what I mean. So when you right click on, and I'll save the image on Amazon. Okay, so let's say I right click and save this image, okay? So I'm going to go find this image in my downloads folder. And you're going to see the image, and we're going to go to Get Info. Now, usually what you'll see around here is you'll see under More Info that it came from Amazon. It's kind of linked. That's the image's signature. Now, when you save it with Nimbus, you're not gonna see that. You're actually going to see. You're usually gonna see that it comes from. I don't know if I can find that. You're usually gonna see that it comes from a temporary file. So in other words, it's unique to your computer, and that makes the image signature unique, so you don't have to worry about using the Scrambler, although generally, again, I would recommend it. So the one last thing is I do have an image in my template, a place for an image in the template. You don't have to necessarily use it. I like to use it because I like having the image in the template as well. If you do use it, all you have to do is head on over to PhotoBucket. Let me see if I can find my login information for this, because I've not used it in a long time. I use my own website to upload my images to. And I cannot find it. But if you upload the image on there, all you gotta do is I'm just gonna upload it with my website to show you real quick. Yeah, all you have to do is let's see here. Grab the image, right-click copy, go to the HTML thing, and right-click next to CR or SRC, the hyphens in between there, put in there. For this, you're going to put this alt text right here. You're going to put the name of the image, which in this case it's a white pantry cabinet. Go back to the standard tab, and it is not showing that. That's weird. Oh, that's why. Okay. There we go. So there's our image right there. So I added it, everything's set, so all you have to do is put in your price. So we are selling it for $129.99. $9.99, and we get to select our quantity, and I'm just going to put 1 for this one. Go down here, click continue, and then list your item. So that item's listed. So real quick, now that I've shown you how to do it, I'm going to show you how quick it